Are we live? I think we are. What's up, everybody? Dang, I forgot to put in the title free. This one. Check. There we go. Okay, I think we got it. That's one. That one's good. Might have to turn this down. Okay, there we go. Woo! Why is that always so tricky, man? What's up, y'all? Hope everybody's having a good night. Hope everyone was productive today. We're just about to get going with freestyling. Not freestyling, freelancing. My bad. It's wine time. I've been drinking a little bit, so I might be having a little slurred speech, but we're still gonna turn this down, bro. Okay, there we go. Alright. Actually, I should put on the coding music, right? Because that's what we're doing today. We're freelancing. We're gonna try and remake this lady's website live. Without any further ado, let's get into it. I'm trying to think. Should I put this, or what should I put in the background as far as music? We need something like a mix. Something like an hour long. That one's live. This one's always good. What's something that won't... Oh, snap. Something that won't be copywritten, but will also... I think this one was good, matter of fact. Actually, nope, it wasn't. Everything in there was copyrighted. Something that we could play more than once. I think I know the thing. Hold up. Inside here, we had this one that was pretty good for a loop. It was, yeah, this one. Wait, y'all probably can't hear that. Let me switch it over here so that y'all can hear it. Is it Solitude? Yeah. This one's good. It's chill. It's something that we can just let play. I could even turn that one up. So I'll have that in the background. And we're going to start looking for a replacement template for this lady's website. And then we're going to set it up. We're going to build it out, configure it, and host it on Netlify from our GitHub. So I figured that'd be something good to do. Oh, true. Because that way I could show you guys how to just take a freelance client from beginning to end. Let me switch the light out. There we go. It's a little Okay, the mic is back. We're up. Little too high. Let me take it down. This one over here is good. Check. Okay. Turn that down. Yeah, man. Wait, are we still... It's still out? Okay, cool, cool. What up, Spark? Thanks for joining us. My bad for the technical difficulties. But we are officially started. I'm about to find a template for this lady. I told her I would have her website done here pretty soon, so we're gonna rebuild it live. I told a couple people yesterday that I would do that too, so let's get it started. I'm gonna start with theme forest because I don't mind paying for a template. Actually, matter of fact, maybe there'll be a Gatsby starter. It's worth a shot, so we could get something going for free. Turn this down just a little bit. Okay. Something that goes with her website though. Let's take another look. All I need is a couple of spots for pictures and a paragraph. Her about me is really the only section worth caring about here. Any kind of like hero section will do. This button just takes you to LinkedIn. So this should be super simple. We have freedom with like the whole design, however we want the colors to be. Could even do her a favor and make her a logo real quick because she doesn't have one. And pick out colors that just go with the vibe. I'm kind of feeling this pinkish like purple thing. And she's pretty much like a speaker who teaches STEM, so like a TED Talk type of person. So maybe we could even search for that type of template for people who do TED Talks. What's this one? Trying to imagine like her picture. Nah, that's definitely not gonna work. Yeah, Gatsby starters is extremely limited. I know they have Gatsby templates out there, but just not on this site for free though. And I guess that's why it's a starter. You're supposed to just use this to start it and then take it from there, like remix it from there. But let's try a Gatsby. I guess you could say that's a portfolio or more like a profile maybe. Alright, I'll just put Gatsby template. Digital agency. A blog. Job board. Yo, this might work with... Hold on. We were talking about posting jobs. I'm going to send this to our Discord real quick. Because this looks like it would work with an idea. Yeah, hold on. Just to let them know. Okay, let's see. Find creative portfolio in agency template. It's built with Bootstrap. 49 pages. That's a lot. Business 1 page. What does this look like? The thing is, I don't have a background picture for her. I guess it could be one of these. I wonder if I could... No, I can't take this. This is only her picture. Although, I could just make that in Canva, matter of fact. I could make something that would fit here if I got the dimensions. Let's see what else it looks like. I could just use this for her about section, like how we have pictures here, things that she does. These just lead you to the top, so I don't even know why those arrows are in here. Nah, almost, but we're gonna keep looking. No. Let's see what else is out here. React, Gatsby, JS, landing page template. That's for a business, project management. Maybe this one? Purchase. I get what they're doing, but no. The right consultation partner for your business. So you can put anything here. Nope. Essential pages, about us, career, contact, blog. I just need like a 1 page, really. Like a 1 page portfolio. Gatsby Stars software technology template. I might have to type portfolio. Or I wonder if we could do public speaker. Public figure. WordPress. No, I want to get off of WordPress. Let's just put template. Government. Municipal government. Government React. Let's just see what this looks like. I just need portfolio 1. Tourist spots, golf day. It's for like an entire agency. I do like how this one looks though, and how it's moving. That's pretty sweet. The colors aren't right for her though. And I would have to like take all of this off. Make the logo. I could change the color though. Put everything that she does in here, and it doesn't have to click to anything. It could just be just like that, just showing off what she does. Let's look again. Inspired youth to pursue STEM. How many of these do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4. different things there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that could be all that. Then her picture could be here. I just might try this. The about me here. Is this gonna be? Could put like a little blurb about her there. I would take this entire section out though. We gotta be super careful. Okay, maybe this could go there at the bottom. Hold on. Testimonials. Do we have any of those? No. So I would take that section out too. Probably take this section out too. Man, this is a lot. This is just a video. She doesn't have a video, so I would take that section out, take that section out, a whole blog at the bottom, and I would probably leave the footer in, but we wouldn't need any of these extra links, and she only wants her LinkedIn. So I'm gonna put this in the maybe section because I could see myself using it, but it just sucks to buy this template and then get rid of like 60% of it. But it's only $9, so I'm gonna leave this as a maybe. Put this in the drive. Yeah, because that's very much a maybe. Okay, I just saved that. So we're almost there. Let's keep looking though. Political leader website template. And this is with HTML. It's responsive. Maybe that's all we need. Template for politicians, PSD. Let's try portfolio, React. Personal portfolio, React Index.js. $5. Regular layout. This looks simple. Whoa, that's it though? A little too simple. Oh, the about me is just on another page. This might actually work. We won't need a resume. Or that section though. Or blogs. We'll leave that. So we could just have home, about me, and contact. I think this is about to be the one that I go with. Now, what does it look like on the phone though? Okay. I would just leave the LinkedIn. I would just have a hamburger here. We got dark mode too. And just have this say about. Have another picture, the about her. What she does in there. Companies she has worked with. That's perfect. Because we have that at the bottom. I think we found it. And then, what else? We don't need the blogs. Oh, the contact. Yeah, we'll just get rid of the blogs and the works and the resume. So we'll just have about me and the contact. Okay, I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna roll with that one for now. So yeah, just go with the regular layout. Alright, we're gonna buy this one. So I'm gonna bring this over here. Let me sign into this real quick. That's crazy, it's only $6. So after we buy the template, so if y'all are ever working on somebody's website, right? You have to buy the template, and then you use GitHub to host the code online. Matter of fact, just so I could like make sure that I'm truly showing y'all how to do it without me, without this video, let's go ahead and use ChatGPT to help us figure out exactly what we need to do. So I just bought the template. I just have to go to my email and confirm the link so that I can download it. Let me do that real quick. Yeah, I have to confirm my email here. And now I can download it, all of the files, just in case. Okay. Let me do that on screen. So we have it downloaded. It's a zip here. Let's go ahead and open that. And we're going to extract all. I'll make sure I do this in the right folder. So after you buy a theme, this is only $5. Bought the theme, extracted it into this folder here. And now let's go ahead and well, it's going to be more than one, right? There's an app, there's components. All right, let's open this up in VS Code just to take a look at it before. I need to also read the documentation to see exactly what information they have left us. Here we go. This is the Next.js project, bootstrapped with Create Next App. Getting started. First, run the development server. Then we're gonna view it in the browser to see the result. You can start by editing the page. You can start editing the page by modifying app page.js. So let's see where that is. It's this. First you go to the folder app and then page.jsx. And so as you can see, it's just the hero section. The components here are hero, demo, features, buy, and copyright. So how I was saying that I was going to remove certain pages, I would just need to delete this here. This is basically our component tree. They're at the top, they're importing the hero section, the buy section, the copyright section, the demo section, features, and the styles, the CSS. And then this is the metadata for SEO. You got the title, just a preview of the website. Like I should probably put the ladies, start changing this for the ladies information. Also, before I do anything, I want to set this up as a repository in my GitHub because I know that I'm gonna host it from there on Netlify. So what I would do, let's go ahead and get ChatGPT rolling, our assistant, since I'm gonna try and show you guys exactly how to talk to ChatGPT when you're doing this type of stuff. So I have 4 different ones here. that I use for different reasons. I got my YouTube one, spiritual guide, one for my job, and then Code Mentor for like various coding projects that I do. So let's explain to this exactly what we're doing. I'm doing a tutorial. Spelled that wrong. Tutorial. I'm doing a tutorial on freelancing and building a project for a client, a portfolio website that is. Now, when I say that is, I might as well just go ahead and copy and paste the README where it's explaining exactly what it is. I was about to start saying it's a Next.js project bootstrapped with Create Next app, but I could literally just take all of this, copy it to give it the full information real quick. Here is its README. Copy and paste the README in there. Now I would continue by saying, what's the next thing to say? Please break down step by step what I need to do to first we're going to create this as a repo in our GitHub and then connect it to Netlify for CI/CD. I think it's like CI/CD stands for continuous integration and continuous deployment, just meaning that from there, as we make changes, like first we're gonna, all of this code, where'd it go? Matter of fact, this code here, all of our entire project, the repo, we're gonna host this onto GitHub and then connect it to Netlify, because Netlify is going to then host it with the website, with the domain, with the link. And we could even connect her domain, eileenbrewer.com, replace it with the netlify.app. We could even do that for free. So the only thing that I spent was the $6 on the template. And then of course, I'm charging her what you would charge somebody to build your website, you know, but still we have to connect it and all of that stuff. So where were we? ChatGPT. Where did it go? Okay. So yeah, for CI/CD, and that should be good for now. Now I probably could do this without ChatGPT, but you know, I'm showing what to do for you guys who haven't, you know, done this before. Trying to reach every single level of experience. Yo, what up, bro? We're live. I'm doing Eileen's website. I found a template that I feel like it's suitable. Let me go pull it back up. Was it this? No, it was not that one. It was this one. Yeah. Live preview. So it's this one. I'm just gonna have her face right here. I would probably have it more on the light mode. I would probably make it to where you can't even, because I don't think she would vibe with the darker mode. Looking at her previous website, which was this, it's a nice little upgrade, and we're getting off WordPress. It's gonna be a React app now. A little bit more reactive, fancy, loading faster than WordPress. So I'm gonna get rid of most of these tabs and only use About Me and Contact. That's all she needs. So then I'll put her stuff there. Right here is perfect because I could grab all of these right here, right? And just put that over there. And then all of this stuff as well. Throw her About Me in there. So I'm also pulled up ChatGPT to kind of like, you know, show how to work with ChatGPT with this type of stuff. So, where were we? All right. So ChatGPT gave us our instructions. Absolutely. Setting up Next.js project and preparing it for deployment involves a series of steps, especially when... Wait, let me make sure. There we go. Where was I? Especially when integrating with GitHub and Netlify for continuous integration and deployment. Let's break down the steps you need to take from creating a repo on GitHub to deploying on Netlify. So the first thing, we already did set up the project locally, right? Create, oh no we didn't. I have to start by running the command, don't I? Okay, let's do that. So in here, open up a terminal. And what is the name of this? Was it Bostami? Yeah, it is. Okay. Bostami. That should work. Every time I'm streaming, these type of processes go way slow. Need to install the following packages. Create next app. Yes. Would you like to use TypeScript? Do we want to use TypeScript or JavaScript? I don't think we need TypeScript for this project. It's not like it's going to be complicated. Let's see what's already in here. It's JSX. Yeah, there's no TypeScript in here so far, so I'm not gonna switch it up. I'm gonna just roll with what they're already using. So no. How do you select no? Enter. Would you like to use ESLint? Yes, I should. I feel like what ESLint does is it keeps you on track, make sure that you're not making any mistakes syntax wise. So yeah, we'll use that. Why not? Tailwind CSS, is that what they're using? Let's go to the README on that one. What? I'm just trying to close all of these. Oh my god. Close that. You can check out easy Vercel. Wait, was it using Tailwind? Create next app. They're deploying it on Vercel. The easiest way to deploy this one is on Vercel. CSS wise, I'm trying to figure out what we're using. I guess nothing, it's just custom. Oh, Bootstrap. Yeah. Okay. So no, we're not using Tailwind. So what do you tab over? Yeah, no. Would you like to use the source directory? We are not using a source directory. It's just app. Right? So nope. Would you like to use app router? Let's look at our main layout. Import toast container React public main CSS. Do we want to use React router? No, I don't think we'll need to. They're recommending it though. What the hell? Why not? Would you like to customize the import alias? No. Let's see what Mr. GPT is saying. Navigate to your project, run dev, development shoulder to ensure everything works. Then create the GitHub. Well, yeah, let's finish up setup first. No, we're not gonna do that. Okay. And we're off. Yo, what's good, bro? I'm just now looking at the chat. I was locked in. React app, is it SEO? Is it bad with SEO? I don't know. But I do know that this lady is not like a business that's really trying to be found on Google. She just uses her website kind of as a business card. It's just got to be in her Instagram and her LinkedIn portfolio. So I don't think we're even going to be pushing for SEO with this lady's website. How you set your alt, text, titles, header, layout. Yarn install? Oh, ha, did I really? Created an extra project. Let me take a look into the folder. Oh, whoops. I did. So in that case, I could delete all of these, right? I mean, I guess I'll do that later. I'll clean it up. I'll clean it up later. Okay, so Bostami. CD Bostami. Okay. So here we are. Now from here, let's get back on track. npm run dev. Got our local rolling. So, and this is, wait, everything's compiled. Oh, because I did create. But what about the code from the template though? Oh, okay. Hold on, so let's run it back. We gotta run it back. To true. So into this one. Wait. Bostami. And then yeah, this one. Wait, create next app. Run npm dev ion the root directory. Not the one we created. Yeah, is this the one that we created again? The root would be here, right? Okay, this one. So in this one here, we need to run dev. Because the other one was this, which I could probably delete now, right? I could delete that. Whoops. There we go. Okay, now we're back to the root here. Next is not recognized as internal or external command. Hold up. CD my next app. So wait, why did it tell us to do that?
Which app do you want?
Yarn install.
Okay.
I thought you either do npm or yarn. Oh. npm run dev or yarn dev. This is why people do pre-recorded tutorials. Word. Cool, it's getting ESLint in there too. Alright. npm run dev. Okay. Ready. That should be it, right? Okay. Damn, that took a while to load. Okay, so this is it so far. We're obviously going to get off of that page and we're just gonna roll with this one. Just need to put her picture in there and start tweaking it from there. This is what we have so far. Nice. Check out the top level render. So, but before we start editing it, we're gonna connect it to GitHub and Netlify, just to get that out the way, so that after we build it, we're good. Yo, what up, bro? Another day, another client, you know, showing some stuff. I haven't done this in a really long time, so I'm fumbling, but we're fumbling through it, moving forward. Showing you guys how easy this is, but you will come to bumps in the road that you're gonna have to push through. Whoa, let me be careful. Every time I move anything, everything disconnects. So, all right, let's keep it rolling. We're gonna go initialize Git. Now that we got our development server up and running from local 3000, we can see all of the changes that we make to the project here reflected live over the internet. Well, locally, our local server. Yeah, bro, I'm working for one of my freelance clients. This lady, this is her website. I'm gonna show you the website that we're remaking. We're turning this website here, which is the old school version, into this theme that I found here. Just gonna put her picture here, remove some stuff, change this to the about me, and see if we can make it work. See what it looks like. I bought this from Theme Forest for $6 just to use for this. We're gonna get rid of the blog section, gonna get rid of the works section most likely, and just have a long about me section similar to this here, because that's all her website really is. You know, she's a public speaker slash she goes all over the country teaching kids about STEM, all over the world, really. I said country. She doesn't have a logo, so there's not a lot of like restrictions. There's a lot of freedom as far as the design goes to get this done. We could even make a logo for her. But all it is homepage, about page, and then connecting to her LinkedIn. So I figured this would be a good thing to do real quick up here. Yeah, so where were we? All right, we're gonna initialize this into a Git repo. I'm trying to think, do I have my work repo? I think I'm connected to my work Git here. So do I want to do that, or do I want to switch? It's so annoying switching accounts on Git because it's connected like to your back end too. Yeah, it's her initial one is a one page, but I'm changing it into this theme, which is more than one pages though. This one here, we're gonna have what? Here's the home page, which I kind of wish it was one page, honestly, but it's all good. The about me is right there, and since it's just switching to another React component, it should be super fast like that still. And then we'll have the contacts. We're gonna have 3 pages, but they're 3 short and easy pages. This is the theme. She doesn't need the resume one. I can get rid of that. I can get rid of this. And get rid of the blog one. Yep. So we'll close these out now just to clean up our what's going on. I'm gonna leave Canva open because we're gonna come here later and probably make a logo for her. Matter of fact, let me get everything on one. I'm just gonna move everything over here. We'll go back to the this one. Now I could close this, close that, close both of these, and open up this over here. This is our local server. That's our development server is just up and running. That's what you see down here. I'm trying to think if I should stop it for connecting it to. Yeah, I'm gonna stop this and start it up later after we connect to Git. So we're gonna git init. Wait, was it git init period? Just git init without the period. Initialized empty Git repository word. Now git add period. Git add period. It's adding all of the folders and files to that empty repo that it just created. Now git commit, initial commit. Yo, what up, bro? We're working on that that lady's website finally. Git commit, initial commit. It just committed everything. Should be able to see it over here. Now I need to go actually create the new repo on GitHub. I might need to use my phone to sign in. Let's see. Oh, I'm already signed in. Yeah, this is definitely my work GitHub, but it's all good. Let me think here for a second. We're gonna go to new new repo. The name will be Eileen, or maybe I should keep it the same as this, Bostami, just so I recognize what it is easier. And this is gonna be port business website for Eileen Brewer. I should make this private. It already has a readme. We do need a git ignore, right? Do we already have one? We already have one. So I'm not gonna add that. A license. We don't need that either. And let's create. So now our repo is created. We take this URL here, get remote add origin, and our URL. Get remote add origin and our URL. Enter. Okay, that should have worked, right? Get remote add origin URL. Get remote add origin. Okay. Now get branch -m main. Get branch -m main. Now get push -u origin main. Get push -u origin main. And we're rolling. Main setup. And this is just connecting our GitHub to our project so that all the changes that we make, we could just push it out there to the cloud, right? Now we have to connect our project to our Netlify. And this is going to give us a domain, a URL that every time we change it, it's going to rerun everything, rebuild everything, and show it online. So I could just send her the URL tomorrow and be like, here, check out your website. Check out what I have so far. Even before I connect it to her URL. All right, so let's log into Netlify. Netlify.com. Just gonna pull this over here for a second. Should I log in with my GitHub? Yeah, might as well, right? Okay. Import Git. Let's bring this back over here. Whatever. Deploy with GitHub. That's all you have to do. Because you're connecting your Netlify to the GitHub repo that we just made. Bostami. See it popped up right there? Now, let's see what Mr. GPT says to do next. Sign in to Netlify, new site from Git. On your Netlify dashboard, click the new site, choose GitHub. We did all that. Configure your build settings. Netlify will attempt to automatically detect the build settings for Next.js. For most projects, the default was npm. So we have yarn build, right? I'm used to using npm run build. I try to avoid using yarn for some reason, just cause I guess familiarity. Netlify. Oh, over here. Not gonna lie, I got lost for a second. Alright, so now we have to configure our continuous deployment over here with this to make sure that every time we make a change to the website and submit it to GitHub, it's going to pick up the fact that our GitHub has changed, and then it's going to rebuild everything and host it again. So the site name determines the default URL for the site. So I'll put Eileen Brewer. Can I do no, you can't do a capital. EileenBrewer.netlify.app. Let's check availability. We're good. The branch to deploy is going to be main, I believe. Let me double check. Go to our GitHub and make sure that Bostami main branch. Yep. Main branch to deploy. Specify how Netlify will build your sites. The base directory. Let's see if let's just make sure that ChatGPT isn't giving us any extra instructions that we're missing over here. I don't want to go off script. select your repo. We did that. Configure your build settings. For most projects, it's yarn build. Okay, that's what we're doing right now. So our base directory, that would be, what is our base directory? The directory where Netlify installs dependencies and runs your build command. What is our base directory? If anybody in the chat knows what our base directory is that app or is it public? I think it's app, because that's where our layout is. That's where our page.jsx is, our whole component tree. So that's, or would it be Bostami? Is the base the root of your project? This might be something that ChatGPT can answer real quick. I just want to make sure. Base directory. What is the base directory in our project? The directory where Netlify installs. This is what you do when you hit things that you aren't sure of. Just go ahead and ask, or Google, of course, and runs your build command. And just so it's not confused at all, I'm going to take a quick screenshot of our component tree and post it in here. And I'm going to say, is it Bostami or app? Slightly confused on the lingo. In a typical Next.js project, the base directory will be the root of your project where the package JSON resides. Okay. And that's where we're going to do npm install or yarn and run, and where Netlify would typically execute the build command. From the screenshots you shared, it appears Bostami. That's what I was thinking too. So Bostami is our base directory, which is basically the root. Okay. Now the build command, it's going to be yarn build, I believe, right? Or is it npm run dev? Trying to remember, what did we use? Let's go back. Let's just scroll up and look. First we did npm run dev. Yeah, so that's what it is, right? After npm run dev, oh wait, no, we did yarn install first. Yeah, and then npm run. So since it's installed, all we're gonna do is run dev, right? For the build command. npm run dev. Publish directory into Bostami, right? Functions directory. Yeah, I guess there. Do we want to add environment variables? Do we have an env file? Not yet. So I can do that later. Right? No, we're gonna do that later. Let's deploy. Wait, did I go off script? Hold up. After connecting it, choose GitHub, configure your build settings, then yeah, deploy. Now it's starting up. So we could just watch the log to see if everything's working or not. Initializing failed. Let's see why. Reading and parsing configuration file. Base directory does not exist. Repo Bostami. So maybe there's a typo. Build repo Bostami. Is there a is that supposed to be a capital B maybe? Deployment settings. Repo. Let's go back to GitHub. Bostami. So the repo's right. Maybe the base directory is supposed to actually be main. Let's see. The directory where Netlify installs dependency and runs your build command. Yeah, that should be Bostami. Package directory. Wait, let me make sure that it's spelled right in here. Bostami. Yeah. Just to see what ChatGPT says about this error and what could have possibly caused that. Let's go back and ask. Click the... I would highlight this whole thing here and just to see what kind of information we could get. I mean, obviously it's something to do with the name that we gave it, where I was a little unsure if that was the right thing to put there. The error message you're encountering indicates that Netlify's build process is configured to use a base directory that does not exist in the repo. It's trying to use build repo Bostami as the base directory, but it seems that's not the correct path. Do you have the build folder? Is that supposed to be inside the project? Log into Netlify. Check the base directory. This should be the path to where your package JSON. It says it should be the path to where the package JSON is, which is the root. It is a... Well, I guess no matter what, it would be all caps there, right? It's not all cap in the name. Update if the file is incorrect. So wait, what if we do this? Let's copy the path to our package JSON. In your case, if Bostami is the root and that contains that, so yeah. Here is the path. Isn't Bostami the root? The path you provided indicates that Bostami is indeed the root of your Next.js project, where your package.json file is located. However, the error message from Netlify indicates that it's looking for a Bostami directory inside the repo. Oh, so yeah, you need to build the project and then indicate to Netlify. Well, we did already build it, but it's saying that it's looking for Bostami inside of Bostami. It's either empty. So in Netlify, we should make it empty for the make it empty for where we put Bostami. I think that's what they're saying. Right here, just make that empty so that it knows that it's the root. Yeah, I think that we already did build it though, because it's right here. This wouldn't be showing here if we didn't build it. This is the development server. I think I stopped it now though, so if I refresh, yeah, it's gonna do that. But okay, let's try to run it again. Let's go back and retry. Clear cache and retry. Well, it hasn't been deployed anyway. How do we just retry it real quick? Deploying your site? Oh, there we go. Okay, yeah, it's already gotten past where last time. So it looks like we're rolling a little bit further here. Yeah, that's what it was. So we just putting the name in there made it look like the folder, look for the folder inside the project. So we just needed to remove it. That's how you gotta ask ChatGPT. All I did was copy the message, took a screenshot of it, and just asked, like, wait a minute. Deploying, cleanup, post-processing. So once this is done, we could just start tweaking the website, removing stuff and just working on it. Yeah, it's funny. That's how long it's been since I tried to do this, though. So, hey, at least y'all know I'm not scared to mess up. Yo, what's up, bro? We're halfway done setting up the lady's site. I found a template. The lady we were looking at yesterday, Eileen. Yeah. So here's a template that we're gonna roll with. Yo, we'll see it in a second. We hit a little speed bump. Got it figured out with help of Mr. GPT himself. I think it's done, right? So do we have a domain now? Let's see. Still building. Everything, oh, it's still building. Wow. Everything goes so much slower while I'm streaming. Yeah, it's still building. So I'm gonna wait. I don't want to change stuff until it's done. Even though it's actually going off the GitHub. So we probably can. We could start. Alright, so. Well, I want to look at it first, actually. Just to make sure we're removing the right stuff. Man, how's y'all days been so far? Well, I know it's nighttime. I got a crazy week this week. Tomorrow's not that bad. I'm just gonna be working on the startup all day tomorrow. But Thursday, I've got a full day Thursday. Nice. What you working on, bro? Something like a personal project? So it says ready. Then it says in progress still. No config file. Still building. Maybe because it's its first time. Plus, we're streaming. Nice. Man, that's a good feeling, isn't it? When you see people checking out your stuff online. Yo, the Digital Builders website actually got pretty good traction now. I feel bad because we still have to build it out better than its current state, but we're working on that actually this week, coming up with the plan for what we're gonna turn this into. Like last I checked, I think it was 60 people who signed up who made it past this part. Yeah, man. We're so lucky to be alive right now where you could just make something like that and put it out there and get your phone ringing and stuff. Put up there that you make websites and everything. That's what I need to do for this. All it is this janky chat and then to-do list app. Well, that is halfway completed. We're gonna hook it up though. Yo, what's up, bro? We're working on the client's project live. Still waiting for it to connect on Netlify though. I underestimated how long this takes when you do it while streaming. It says ready though, but it's still working. It's still cooking. Building is in progress. Oh, okay, word. See, the thing with this website that I'm building, I did it with Firebase. It's my bad. It's React on the front end, and then Firebase on the back end, using Firestore database to keep everybody's all the documents and stuff, the users information. So far we could always change it, but I'm kind of trying to stick to Firebase for now, just because that's what the startup that I work for uses. So I'm kind of like, I want to be somewhere where I could, like, I'm using this to test out certain things before implementing them with our project that we're working on. True, let's try to refresh. Yo, what up, bro? Nice, let's go. I love how everybody's building. Everybody's cooking something up. Yeah, man. Maybe I should stop this and start it over again, because that is unusually long. I know it's the first one, so the first run through. But it probably wouldn't hurt to just back out and try again, like cancel it. I'm gonna give it until 10:30, 4 more minutes. If it's not done building by then, it must just got stalled or something. It's so crazy how this says ready, but then if you click this, it doesn't come up. So I think somebody just got here. Yep. But yeah, that's what's up, man. I'm glad everybody's cooking right now. What can I do in the meantime? Let's play a game of chess while we wait. A blitz game. Wait, I have an account. Sign in with Google. $1,600? No way. No, not 10 minutes. 1 minute. 1,600 is crazy. I'm about to lose. See? Yup. No. Oh, got him. Oh. He has to take that, right? Go here. Go here, then here. So I'm kind of losing, but it could be worse. I'm winning on time. Oh, go down. No. Yo, he's losing on time now. I'm just gonna chill. He's gonna take that. Now go down. I don't know. This is super sketch. Bruh. Don't take it. We're gonna just try and win on time. Oh no. He's getting a queen. Oh, take that. No. Oh, I think he got me. Dang. That was close. That was close though. 6 seconds, bro. Alright. Are we still building? Okay, yeah, we're gonna cancel this. Been trying to get to 700. Man, I knew I was gonna lose. And do you play Blitz though? Call of Duty? No, I don't play Call of Duty Mobile. How the startup works? Wait, how what startup works? Man, I kind of want to play it. I can't go out on a loss like that. That was too close. That was a warm up. Let's try to get a win. Real quick. There we go. This is off to a great start. Uh-oh. Nope. Back it out. I gotta be careful because both of his bishops. Okay. I'm just gonna castle. And then go here. And then here. Do I take that? Nope. We're good, we're good. Now I can take... No, I can't. Go here. I'm losing on time. I gotta hurry up. Watch out. Bro. See, I am not... Okay, I'm not 1400. I haven't played on this account so long. Okay, if I go there... Then here, I'm still in trouble. God, no. Oh, I'm gonna have to take that. And then go here. Alright, this one doesn't count. Take that. Yo, if we come back and win this... Oh, he can't take that. I could have took that with my horse. I'm tripping. What about now? Oh my god, just go anywhere. Yes! Yes! We got it! Woo! We clutched it out. Somehow. Even though that was kind of cheap. I was just moving fast anywhere. Okay. Mission accomplished. I got the win. Let's get out of there. It's still building. Alright, we're gonna cancel this. Since it's taken so long. Something must have happened. Let's go to Cancel deploy. Dog, that was so close. Okay, you do 5 and 3 minutes. Word. What? Post. So it had went this far too. Okay, well let's run it again. I think it already actually is. Retrying, right? Building. I thought I already canceled it. Okay, now let's retry. Clear cache and retry. There we go. Yeah, bro, I'm deploying a template that I found for that lady. We're rebuilding Eileen's website. This lady here, she's one of my freelance clients. I got the restaurant too in Florida. I found out yesterday. So we're rolling. We're building. She is asking me to do a lot though, honestly, for $450 a month. I mean, hey, that's a good, like, once you get this monthly stuff rolling in, I feel like if I get a nice amount of these, and it's a simple WordPress, so it's not going to be a problem. Where's it at? So she wants me to relaunch the brand, which is wait, let me see. $450 a month for marketing. Some company called Textedly. I'm gonna be sending one text message weekly to her customers with a promotion, like a special promotion. That don't sound like that's too difficult, you know. And that's what I say about freelancing. You want to talk to your clients and let them know, like, whatever they need, you can do it. We're already tech savvy as web developers, as software engineers. We could figure anything out. If you need a logo made, we could get on Canva. If you need a website, no matter if it's a WordPress, if it's a React, if it's whatever it is, we could figure it out, right? And then also, I'll tell them, like, who runs your social media. If you need someone to post for that, you got it all right here. Discord. I'm just retrying my Netlify, deploying over here in Netlify. Where we at? Where is it? It's building again, so this thing here is just taking a while to finish building. I think it might be because I'm streaming though. Like, everything seems to take twice as long, sometimes 3 times as long. Anything to do with, like, uploading something to the cloud. But yeah, I'm dealing with this, trying to figure out what this lady. So we're gonna do Instagram ads, everything added up. She kind of has the prices, like, split up, website maintenance and different stuff like that. It's a simple website. I honestly want to redesign it. I'm inheriting this that somebody else built. It's a WordPress. There's a bunch of things that I don't like about it. Like, for example, the food looks great, right, when you have it highlighted, but why is it black and white when it's not selected over? I would want to reverse that so that you could show how good the food looks, you know. That's just something that I'm gonna mention to her. Little feedback. I guess all they have is an Instagram. You can't see it because of me, but it's this tiny little button in the right corner. So I would want to make that bigger. Nice. Those are good. That's a good conversation, bro. Trust me, I've done that plenty of times. Asking it to explain with analogies in different ways and switching it around. Callback functions are still confusing to me though. But it's basically returning though, right? Returning something, right? As a function. Alright, we are still building. I guess, honestly, if I need to, we could just ignore this step for now. This is just for, like, this could be a final thing that I do. And we could just start building it locally just to continue. I'm going to give this thing, I'm going to play 2 more Blitz games. And if it's not done by the time we finish, we're just going to go ahead and cancel the deploy. I'll do that later offline. I'll do that and go to sleep if I need to. And we'll just keep building. Keep putting the site together. I think is the plan. Deploying on Netlify. Alright, so yeah, let's play another game while we wait. Am I not logged in? Okay, I am. Let's get it. 1 minute. I wish it could be full screen. Oh, I'm on the clock. Dang, he's ready to go. He's gonna take that pawn, but I should be able to survive. Now, go here. And then here. Okay. Take that. No. I'm gonna go there. This is sketch because he could take that. I gotta stay here. He's probably gonna take that. What's the plan? I'm gonna scoot over here and try and like take that somehow. I definitely could take that and then check and take that. He's got 10 seconds. I think we got this one. Oh my god, that was close. Go here. We're good. Nice. Right, making 2 functions and calling one of them inside another one when a user does something. Right. If data needs to be retrieved or any sort of big task. Yep. True, true. Now, do y'all know about the the event loop? Node.js event loop was a nice conversation. Very much related to that. Related to async await. Alright, we're gonna try to get one more. Hey, what's up? Did you eat? No, it's cool, it's cool. Alright, let's get it. 2 for 2. That dude was 1623, so I was a little scared. Okay, 1500. Go here, and there. This is not looking good. He's going for that. Nope. Go here. He's gonna take my bishop, but it's all good. I'm pretty comfortable with this setup here, because we could do that, and then I can chill here. I think he's gonna get that. Dang, the clock is even too. I gotta keep an eye on that. I'm now down. Man, he got that too. All right. We gotta surprise him somehow. Get tricky. Just go for speed. Oh, I can't because his queen. Go. Oh man, I'm just gonna keep pushing that forward. Go here. I see a weakness right here. Now here. Just slide back that. Oh, okay, yeah, we're good. We're good. And we're up on time now, kind of. He can't take that. Go here, and then here, and then here. I gotta be careful. I could have took that. I'm tripping. Take that. Oh my gosh. I think I went off time. Yeah, we got him. We got it. We're good. Woo! That was close. 2 for 2. The cat was starting to mess me up too. Hey, buddy. Oh, he wants a rematch. Sure. He's trying to get the win back. I would have felt bad about that too, because he was beating me. I just kind of went off time. That's why he's moving so fast this time. I'm gonna let him take that. It's all good. Now just go here. I gotta be careful. Oh man, just run away. Take that. Chill there. I almost took that. Just go here. I think I'm better off in the middle. Okay, I have to take that. Now go here. When that moves, I can go here. This music is low-key intense. Okay, wait. I think if I go here with the horse, right? He has to move. And now I have to move. He could just take it. Take it. And if he takes... Damn. This is close. Oh my god. I gotta be... Bro, I should have took his queen. We'll take that one. And now go down. Yes. Woo! He wants a rematch again. I gotta give him a chance. It's always fun when people are like set on trying to beat you. Bro, look how fast he's going. Go here. He's like, I'm going to win. Ah. Okay, he might have got me. We'll see. What's the plan? I gotta watch out for that. I'm gonna have to try something really tricky and desperate that he won't expect. This is weird moves. Yeah, I'm just gonna try random weird stuff that's not supposed to work. He's taking too much time. I pretty much got the lead back off of him taking so long. We're good now. I'm just gonna start taking stuff. We are definitely good now. That's game. Damn, bro. Okay, another one. I'm just gonna play until he beats me or gives up. Go here. Now go there. Here. Castle. This is bad for him again. He's starting to do worse. Go here. Yeah, I'm gonna take that with the horse. And then I could take this. Or I could take that. Yeah, I'll take... Oh, my queen. Oh my god. I could take this though. Okay. I'm gonna try to scoot in here. Yeah, take that first though. Then go here. There. Oh, he's gonna take my bishop with his queen, right? He might not see it. He didn't see it. I could take his bishop. Not anymore. This is a weird game. I got his queen though. Thank God I got his queen. Okay. That just got us the game. I just gotta move fast enough. And we're good. Take that! This is almost game. Oh my, he blocked it. Go here. He's just trying to win off time. I gotta hurry up. No! Okay. Rematch again. Alright, this is the last one. This is the last one. This is his last chance to beat me, bro. Where are we going? He is moving too fast. Take it. I thought I caught him slack. I thought I caught him. Oh, he got my queen. That's a weird trade, though. Nope. He's just trying to trade, bro. He's just trying to win off of speed. Look, those moves aren't even good. Don't take it. Bro, what is this? Composure. Keep your composure. That's fine. Oh, he's gonna take that. I think this is a good spot to be in because of this. Okay, maybe not. Yeah, we're good. We're chilling. I'm not gonna let him get my... Okay, I was about to say. Take it! Yes! Yo, go take these. Wow, look at that. Nope. Take that too. Now I get a queen. Sorry, bruh. Wait. Get another queen. I don't want to stalemate him. Okay, cool. Alright, that's enough. That's enough. I can't just keep playing this dude. How many times in a row was that? I got up to fine. Let me give him... Okay, no, I think he's gone. I think he's gone. That was a lot, bro. I got up to 1730. I got up to 1730. That's crazy. That's the highest I've been in a long time. Alright, I'm just gonna... Whoever I play against next is probably gonna beat me, because I'm not even used to playing that high. Yeah, that was like 5 in a row. He was determined. Some guy from the UK. Alright. So, building failed. I wonder why. Let's see what happened. No config file, was that the problem? Execution timed out. Okay, so that could just be, it said it fell within the time limit. That could just be because I'm streaming. So we'll set that up later, but you guys see how to do it. You make a repo on GitHub, and then you just go there and you just connect it and then deploy to it. But more importantly, let's start working on this, on her. We could just start working on it. If I get the development server back running with, what is it, npm run dev. That was quick. It's already ready. So let's look at what we got. Should be this here. Bostami. So we don't need this front page. We just need to go straight to this. So that's the first thing for us to figure out. Let's see where we were with GPT. Okay. Now, I don't think we need GPT to figure out that part, right? So let's go to the layout. So here's our main component linking to our style sheet. Toast container. All right. Component preview, the hero. So when you first get, the first thing that is coming up is that hero section. Let's take a look at that. There's about, let me see, just to get a clear idea of the routing setup here. Let's copy this entire thing and paste it into ChatGPT. Just to show you guys how to break something down and understand it with the help of our all-wise, all-knowing mentor here. Here's my main entry into the project. Can you help me understand the routing setup here? Because what I'm trying to figure out, which I should know already, is how, so we're coming into here as the main, but we wanted just this to be the home, right? So what in here do I need to change? I think that first one was the hero. Maybe it would be, another thing that's kind of throwing me off here is, why do we have a components folder, obviously with all of those different pages, but then we also have the app side over here that seems to have the same thing. So which one of these two are we using? You know what I mean? You can hit and trial. Have you added the configuration to Netlify? The JS config, was I supposed to add this? Oh, here's the entry. Was I supposed to add this to Netlify? Anyway, I'm gonna connect that later, just in case it was just taking long due to me streaming, because everything seems to take so long. See, even this. Let me just stay on this window. I'm gonna restart it and just stay on the window. Run it back. The basic configuration of Netlify. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna set up the Netlify stuff later though, cause I'd rather just build it, you know. Then maybe we'll do that as the last step. Certainly, let's go through the routing setup in your Next.js project based on the code snippet you've provided. In Next.js, routing file system based. Oh yeah, I forgot that Net.js, the routing is a little different. It's by the folders. That means that it uses files and folders in your pages directory to automatically create routes for your application. So to create another route, we use the pages directory. Is that this? Yeah. Like here's about, here's the page for that. Here's blog, here's the page for that. So to make another route, you just make another folder. And then these components here, about 1, about 3, and then I think these get exported to those folders, right? Because these end up being HTML, don't they? Let me keep reading instead of trying to decipher this. In Next.js, that means it uses files and folders in your pages to automatically create routes in your application. If you're using TypeScript, which we're not, from the code you provided, it looks like page.js is meant to be the main entry point. However, Next.js expects the main entry file for the home page to be named index.js inside the pages folder. So inside the pages folder, we don't have an index.js, not in that one at least. Preloader, hero. I think this was the first one. Hero, features, demo, copyright, and buy. And then if we look back on that page, hero, demos, features, buy, and copyright. Here's what's happening in your page.js, which should be index.js. Component imports. You're importing several React components. Let's look at it again. Yeah, at the top we're importing all the components, then the CSS, and then the metadata for SEO, and then the component tree. Component imports, we're importing all of our components, and then the CSS imports. Metadata, export default function. That's the page function, is the default export of the file, which means it's the main React component for the route. And it's returning the JSX statements. So if page.js is your home page, it should be named index. I don't know about that, because maybe it's different just for this theme, right? Make sure your page.js file is located in the correct place. It's already working, so I'm not going to change the names of the folders. You linked to database instead of local database. Linked to the database instead of the local database. Linked to what? GitHub? Linked to what database instead of local? The GitHub repo? Okay. So, the main page, which one of those components is this? Real database like MongoDB. I don't need a database for this website. We don't need a backend that I know of for this. Yeah, because we're not storing any like users logging in or anything like that. This is just the one page. We just need to host this. Exactly what we have, which I could also do later. You know, that's just gonna be something we set up on Netlify later on. So you can deploy it on Vercel instead of Netlify. What's wrong with Netlify? I don't mind just setting it up on Netlify straight up from GitHub, because then we could just, like, we already have the GitHub. I just need to debug that later on. It's not a big deal. I honestly think that because I'm streaming, it's timing out. It's just the way that my computer works. When I'm streaming, things like that take way too long. Okay. Yeah, Vercel's a dope platform. But Yeah, let me look at this hero. Let's deconstruct this hero. Import image, import react, function hero, container, title fade up with the animation, view demo. Yeah, so that must be this front page here, which is nice, but we need to come into this, which is home-2. Yeah, it's not. It's yeah, I literally think it's just because I'm streaming right now. That as soon as I end the stream and I go to retry deploy, I think it's gonna work. It's gonna, because it didn't even fail. It failed because it timed out. Like, it was taking too long. So I'm thinking it's just like the loading time. Because if it was the configuration with Netlify, wouldn't it have failed? Like, it would have said, do config is off or something like that, you know? It said, it was just building, like, it was working. It was just taking too long. If the config was wrong, I think it would have, the deploy would have failed, and it would have said, like, configuration error, you know, or something like that. It just timed out. Even the initialize, like, this is the config stuff here, I think, right? And everything seemed to work. Like, it installed, everything was rolling, everything there completed. Okay, yeah, then here's Netlify build version that went through. No config file, using default values, build command. Then it said it was ready, like it went through, but then it timed out. Yeah. Something to try off stream though. Just so I could be for sure that it's not just the fact that I'm streaming. That'd be crazy if you have not used any config file. What? So you can't deploy on Netlify without a config file? Oh, okay. Cool. Let me, let's see. Is it possible to deploy on Netlify without config file? If not, please create one for me to place in the root of my project. Sweet. I'm gonna try to stick to Netlify just because we're already halfway there. You know what I mean? Yes, it's possible to deploy a Next.js project on Netlify without a config file. Netlify can automatically detect that it's a Next.js project and build it accordingly. However, there are times when you might want to customize the build project. For which that... Okay. Guess let's throw this in there just in case. Section tells Netlify how to build your project. The build command will run for your site. npm run build, publish, redirect. Keep in mind that if you're using features in Next.js that require server-side rendering, such as get server, you need to use a plugin, which we don't. We're just using Next export, relies on server rendering, API routes. Okay, let's put it. Remember to replace npm run build with the build command. Use yarn Maybe we're supposed to use yarn instead of npm run build. But let's add that file though, real quick. What was the name? netlify.toml. So in the root, new file, netlify.toml. Okay, let's see if it works. If that changes. Real quick. Shoot, this means I could play a little more chess while we wait. Let's retry, clear, and retry. Starting up. Okay. Back to our wait game. Thanks for the help, bro. That would be sweet if it works after that. All right, back at it. Oh, take it. Go back. Another speedster. We're just gonna block that for now. I'm gonna castle this way. I don't know, that might have been a mistake. We will see. Yep. This is ugly. I'm not liking this. Shh, take it. Wait, I can't move. We gotta go there. Man, I forgot. See, beating that guy 1,000,000 times put me in a whole nother ranking. This guy is skilled. Okay, we're hanging in there. Can I take that? Oh, I can't. I should not have taken that. I think he got me, boys. We're going down. Oh no. Take that. Maybe we can go for the... Oh wait. Get out of there. I don't know. This is sketch. I can't go anywhere. He's gonna take that. I'm hanging in there. No, I'm not. Okay. What? He was 1780. That other dude got me like boosted beyond what I'm used to. All right, let's try again. That was the warm-up. Okay, 1532. That's more my realm. What is he doing? Is he gonna take that? Honestly, I could try this, but then he's gonna go there with his bishop, or that. I don't know. Okay. This is not looking good. I'm gonna have to put my horse here. Wait, I could take that. What? Okay. Damage control. Take that. We have a fortress built, but I'm running out of time. I just lost my queen. Hold on. Get out of the way. Time is what's gonna beat me this time. We gotta escape this way. Jeez. No, this is a L. That doesn't count. Let's run it back. See, man, I'm used to being where I was. All right, where it's back in progress again. This one went through fine again, so it's not the code. Wait, no config file was defined? Was I supposed to... Maybe I was supposed to put that in the settings or something. Hold on a second. Base directory, package directory. Oh yeah. This directory contains your files, including the netlify.toml. So yeah, it's in the right. It's the same as the base, as the root. Publish directory. Yeah, this is... I'm gonna have to look into this later on. If it's... Yeah, if it's still... Because it didn't pick up the netlify, the config file. And it's stuck again. Still building. So we'll let it keep trying. But we're also gonna keep working on this. Yeah. Right. I connected the netlify with GitHub, yeah. So it's deploying based off of... Oh! So I need to commit the file first. Good call. True. It's deploying off of GitHub. So I need to cancel this. Didn't even think about that. And I need to commit this. True. So we didn't even add that. Added config file. My bad. Plus commit sync. Hey man, it's been a long day, okay? It's almost midnight, so cut me some slack. But thanks, bro, because that is so funny. Okay, now let's cancel. And we're actually gonna have to... Let's make sure that our GitHub is updated. Bostami. Okay, it's in there now. So now... It's funny they're saying that is the easiest way. But okay. Now let's retry with latest branch commit. No knowledge about Next.js. We're using this for our Jet project too. This is what we used for the hackathon. So I should know more about this than I do. I actually built a project. Built like multiple pages. Not the whole thing though. I was on a team. So that's what happens when you're working with like 5 other people. You only know your specific thing. All I was doing was building the pages. I didn't deploy it. So, but yeah, let's try this again while we wait. 1650. I feel like I could get a win with the 1600s. It's also hard to play this and talk at the same time. I'm gonna try and take his bishop. Never mind. We're gonna have to castle this way. But I do like this wide open to the king over there. Just gotta be a little careful because of that. Okay. Now we should be able to find a way to make this... Oh! Not cool. Check. Now take that. If he does that, at least I get this. Okay, he'd rather me take that, I guess. I'm going for that queen. If I can. I hope he moves the horse. I mean, I'm trading a lot. I don't know if that was right. But we do have a chance now. Right? Because we can take this. I gotta be careful, dude. Damn, he's gonna take that. Not looking good. Wow. I can't even take that. At least I could take that. He's fumbling a little bit, giving me some time. Give me some time to catch up. He's got 2 queens. I'm in trouble. But if I move fast enough. Okay, I gotta draw. I gotta draw. He wants to play again. I feel like it's been a while since I won. That's what happens when you beat one guy 5 times in a row. You get higher than you're supposed to be. I'm gonna take this just cause I feel like I gotta do something tricky against these. Oh, he's only 1400. I'm worried about nothing. I should be able to beat this dude, but let me not get too confident. Whoa, see? I almost made that mistake. Stay woke. Okay, go there. I gotta be careful about this spot here. There's nowhere for me to go. I'm low-key trapped. My queen is trapped. But I don't think he knows how to take it. Now he's trying to set it up. How can I get out of here, bro? I'm stuck. Okay, I'm out. I'm out. Woo, that was sketch. Now take this. He can't take it, but I can take that. And now I'm hitting his dude over there. Plus, I got this too. I can take that. Now that's game. Woo! That was close. Okay, he wants to play again. This is the last game. Last game. Let's make it count. Careful for my queen. Go here. I'm just gonna chill. Okay, I just lost my horse. But I'm looking at this free pawn. Still free. Now if he moves that, I could take that. I could still take it. Okay, we're taking it. Trap his castle behind enemy lines. He's stuck. What's the plan? I want him to stay there, so I'm gonna go here. I don't know what to do, honestly. I'm just moving. I'm gonna go here, hit his queen. Just trying to reposition. Free castle. He's only got 4 seconds. I think we got this. Okay, that's enough of that. Published. Did it work? It worked. We did it. It worked, man. All thanks to you, brother. Thank you. Netlify is unable to locate. Yeah. Yeah. So we're rolling. We are up. Let's see if we can find it from the domain. Nice. Sweet. We are live. Man, this took a little longer than I imagined it to. So I might cut out here for now. And tomorrow, so in tomorrow's edition, we could come finish this up. You know, thanks, bro. So yeah, and not only for me, for everyone else who saw this, you know, seeing that, that's how you do it. You gotta have your Netlify config. I'll try to remember that for next time. Make sure that so far we found a theme for this lady, and we're gonna turn this website here into this one. Well, into this here tomorrow. Simple one page. Hers is actually gonna be 3 pages. Home, about me, and then the contact us that just links to her LinkedIn. So I might even let her know, like, let her know that we're on our way with that, you know. But we are at 2 hours, so yo, you back? Yo, we got it up, bro. We got it. We got the domain going for her. Thanks to our #1 builder's help. EileenBrewer.netlify.app is up. Now tomorrow I just need to figure out how to make the root enter straight to here. Put her picture in here. Set up her about me here. And in the bottom I'm gonna put all of her the other stuff that she has, like all that other stuff from the bottom of here is gonna go there. I like how she turns ideas into a startup. Pitch training for entrepreneurs. Panelist, speaker, and leader. Inspiring youth to pursue STEM. That's what we're going to have here, right at the bottom. And then all of her clients, we're going to move all of these people, all these different logos are going to go right here. We'll change this out to her name. And then contact. We'll have, I don't know if she wants her phone number or her email. I'm gonna ask her. I can send her this link and say, like, okay, well, as soon as I fix that home page, I'm gonna send it to her. I'm gonna say, what do you think about this design so far? Let me know your feedback on it. And I'm gonna ask her about her contact page, because I remember before all she cared about was that it went to her LinkedIn. She did? Dude, that's awesome, bro. Yo, she goes all over the world, bro. She'll probably pull up to your hometown. Honestly, man. She was just in Gaza. Like, she goes all over the world, bro. I wouldn't be surprised if she has connections over there. She's awesome. She also threw me the alley-oop to get hired. She got me my job that I'm working for right now, honestly. That's why I told her, like, I'm gonna rebuild your website. You know, she's super plugged in, super awesome lady. I might see her at assembly tomorrow. Am I working from there tomorrow? No, Thursday, I mean. I'm going there Thursday. I might do a video from there that Thursday too. I'm gonna pretty much be there all day Thursday, because we're planning some other stuff. But I'm about to head on out. That was part 1. We're gonna do another code and chill. If not tomorrow, Thursday. Thanks again for your help, bro. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. And have a good night.